First things first, let's just get these boxes open, make sure everything is here, make sure nothing is broken, and yeah, make sure that we can actually get all of our new parts assembled. So I heard a lot of different things about this hub motor. You know, a lot of people who purchased this hub said that it's low on the torque end, so it's got about 60 Newton meters of torque, and it tends to really kick in once it's gotten a bit of speed on it. You know, it tops out on the high end, so it's more of a, which is perfect for what I have, because you know I have a lot of torque on that 1200 watt motor, and what I'm thinking is, you know, we'll use that one to avoid a lot of wheel slip, and then we'll quickly switch over to the 1200, or excuse me, this 1000 watt. Nicely packaged, you know. Got a bit of weight to it. Let's see here. And some cable ties. I think this is called a T60 male to female battery extender. Just gonna disconnect. I love that sound. Okay, so yeah, so it looks like the battery reader is actually on the throttle, which is kind of interesting. And this also comes with a waterproof case for the controller. This is a much larger controller than the one I have for the 1200 watt. And this one looks like, from what I've seen online, it has the ability to do the shunt mod. I'm also going to use some boxing tape to put liner on the inside of this hub, because this will prevent the inner tube from taking damage from pressure and popping. I think that might be enough. Yeah. There we go.
That should be good.
All right, the next thing we need to unbox is the battery. You know, looking at the shape, well, that's a decent weight. It's about 10 pounds. Looking at the shape of this, in theory, I'm thinking this should fit carrier, right? So I think that should fit. You know, might tilt a little bit, but I think it should work. But yeah, let's just go ahead and yeah, see how it goes. So it looks like this battery did come with an extra T60 cable, which is nice. But the battery itself already has, I think this is a male T60, so you can see you just basically just plug this directly into the controller, and that just connects directly to the hub, so we should be good to go. But yeah, this battery, I really like this case. I mean, it's waterproof, it's already got the straps. It's about 10 pounds. That combined with the weight of this hub, probably adding about another maybe 20 pounds to the bike. But again, we're gonna get that back with the amount of torque and overall speed and pulling power. So this is just like a really quick temporary test fit, but it is crazy how well that fit. Like, I had to really look around and kind of just get
a lot of just input on, how to get a battery into this frame style, but this fit like a glove. And honestly, I had to adjust the height a little bit, but again,
and the controller actually fit pretty good too. You can't really see it from this angle, but yeah, we'll do a once over once everything is assembled. But yeah, almost there. Okay, I just want to point this out. So when you are removing the rotors from your bike, put some DW40 in there, okay? I just got a little bit of an injury. I just stripped my knuckles. Because these edges are like really sharp, blade sharp. So, I literally had a piece of skin I had to pull off of here.
What's wrong, okay? When I came down.
Okay, that took much longer than expected. And I'm probably gonna have to do a separate video just talking about everything that I had to do just to get this this assembly finished. Yeah, but I did not want to end the day without at least doing a test ride. So once traffic clears, we're gonna go ahead and see what the new hub motor is like with the bike. Couple things. Had to disable the front brake, so we only have one brake, guys, so we got to be really careful. I have to do that because the rotor, I have to replace the rotor and get spacers for the front hub. But yeah, let's just go ahead and do this. Whoa, that is really fast. Holy hell, we're already at 30. Whoa. Normally we do 27 up this hill. We're already doing 34. Wow, this is a lot faster, guys. Wow. $35, $37. Wow. Woo. Well, that kind of answers the theory I was wondering. I was wondering if this bike would hit at least 37. With the new hub, and yeah, we just hit 37. That's a new mile per hour. A couple things about the bike. Take it down to level 2. I had to, so I realized as I was putting the throttle on here, this is actually a right-handed throttle, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to eventually come up with a method where I can just use the right-hand throttle and switch between maybe the front and rear hub, or just use them both, because this actually doesn't have the slip issue that the Aerial Rider Grizzly has, so that was one of the things that made me go with this this hub. I'll be honest, I'm a little nervous about this hub. Definitely feel like it's kind of sketch. I don't know, like, it's cool. I mean, let's just kind of use it. I say it's sketch because for about an hour I kept having to realign the position of the wheel because it kept going to the right for some reason. So I kept having to adjust the torque arm, reposition it, and then tighten it. And I just want to make sure that I don't get any issues with bolts getting loose or anything like that. But it definitely it's a strong hub. It's 1,000 watt. I mean, it pulls actually faster than the 1,200 watt in the back, and it has a kind of cool winding sound. I'm not sure if it's picking up on the so this is me just using hub alone. Now the bike weighs probably about, I'd say maybe 20 pounds more than it previously did. You know, with the dual motors plus the extra battery. So we've got a 2200 watt bike. Holy crap, this thing, wow. It launches with both motors. Wow. Jeez. Jeez, this thing pulls. Holy wow. Woo! Whoa! Wow. But I gotta get the front brake back. I can't ride this bike around, you know, doing 37 to 40 and trying to stop all that extra weight just with the man. But it pulls. God. This is fun. Wow. Jeez. Woo. That was a hard hit right there. So, you know, with that extra weight, I gotta watch out for potholes. All right. Almost missed my turn here because this thing is going so fast. Another thing I gotta do is, again, I wanna make sure this torque arm is working. I wanna make sure I'm not getting any issues with, wow, you heard that? That was a little bit of tire slip, but actually, it burned. All right, here we go. So like, to kind of give you an idea of, and you guys might remember, I mean, whenever I've gone through these turns, I've never hit 34 going through these turns. It's always been, you know, 29, you know, 27. Oh, fresh blacktop. Let's do it. Wow, I can feel it lift. So this hub, it comes with an off switch. So, you know, there's a button here to the, you know, right down here. If I wanted to just turn off the motor, you know, I can just have it off and just use the 1200 watt in the rear. Man, this thing is it's very torquey now. I mean, it is, you know, there's 90 Newton meters on the rear hub, 60 on the front. But I almost feel like the front is just as torquey as the rear. All right, so this build project was actually a birthday present for myself. You know, I'm turning 40 this Sunday. And I wanted to do something fun, and I figured, you know, why not go ahead and, you know, add another hub motor, you know, make this bike even better. So you can see, you know, one of the reasons, actually, I'm not sure if this is picking up very well on the hopefully it is picking up very well on the camera, but